I stay loose, I stay hype, I stay loose, I stay hype, I stay loose, I stay hype. I could do this all night, cause I do what I like. Yeah, I do what I like, yeah, I do what I like. Sipping goose, if it's right, and I go with the flow. Yeah, I go with the flow.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh and this is Cranks and Pistons, and today we are back on the E46. We have most of the stuff done, just a few more mods I guess. The tint, there's a very specific percentage of tint that we can put for Hong Kong traffic regulations, and that they don't really look that good. It's pretty much gonna be like that. It's not gonna really help, so I'm gonna ignore that for now. But wheels done. Blacked out the headlamps, blacked out the tail lamps. We got the overhauled steering wheel inside. We got the music system. So this is around 80% right now. Now if you guys noticed something on the boot, so that's going to be the last mod that I'm going to do for the time being, and then it's time to jump on to the Ducati, start working on that. So we're going to put the iconic BMW angel lamps. These lights need to have the angel lamps. For some reason the halo lamps on the E46, they look mean, they look aggressive, and if it's different colors, if you can change colors, that's going to be awesome. So I did go ahead and pick up a package. So this box comes with not too many things. We have the instruction sheet and we have a couple of the halogen lamps, halo lamps, angel lamps, halogen lamps, however. So these are the cotton ones, so you won't have exposed LED lighting on it, although on the inside you'll be able to see that there is a difference. So these are cotton and they look really good. I'm sure they look really nice when it's lit up. So we have two packages, one is for the big one and one is the small ring. And we also have the instruction list, which gives a basic diagram of everything that we need to do. But this is too challenging. Of the videos that I've seen, I think there is a few more things that we will need. So from the videos that I have seen, when they do install the angel eyes onto the BMW E46, all they do is remove this front glass. They remove this trim, and the front glass. But the instructions that we have received with this specific angel lamp, we will need to remove the whole headlamp setting out and do some heating and take out the tube and then put it back inside and then heat it back again. I do not have the equipment for that, so I'm not going to risk it. I'm going to take it to the professionals and get it done, and I do want it to look nice. I want to see this front end transform. So we're gonna go take it to the shop. Hopefully they're open today. It feels so good when there is not much traffic on the road. While on the bike though, when there is no traffic, is not so much fun. But in the car, you want the roads to be as clear as possible so that you can go ham when you choose to. Don't be stupid, you know. Don't go on curves and go ham on it when you know that you can't handle it. But when you know you can, it is gonna be so much fun. For example, something like this. So I'm at the shop now. I went to a few shops so far and none of them are ready to do it, because now I found out why. I know why. And the difference between the videos that I saw before and why they're not able to do it now, because there is a difference in the lamps that I saw in the video. If you can see here, it is a full single plastic piece. The ones that I saw in the videos were cut here, the indicators were separate and the headlamps were separate, so you could just take this glass out. But for this assembly, we're going to have to take the whole assembly out on both the sides, probably even the front bumper. So that could be a long process, and we don't know how the condition of this is inside. And it costs a lot. It costs a lot, an unbelievable amount. So I figured it's not really worth it, you know. I'm not gonna spend a fortune on just putting Angel HIDs. Probably I'll just buy a newer car and it'll be better, or buy new set of lamps instead of going through this process. Probably just return the ones that I already bought. But the video doesn't end right here, guys. We still have to check out all the other stuff that we put onto the car. So let me go to a quieter place and then we can talk some more. We made it to the top of the mountain. Pretty picturesque location. Check out the view. It's all foggy today, so it's not very clear. Fog, smog, it's one of it. Probably not smog, the roads are pretty empty actually. But it's beautiful. Everyone's hiking out, everyone's chilling. It's a really well-known campsite. So, the Angel lamps is a no-go. Angel lamps cannot be put onto this. I mean, it can be put onto this, but it's a lot of work and costs a lot of money. So I think we're gonna have to live with this. For the moment, it's okay. It doesn't look too bad. And with this, the front like this, and the back like this, it looks perfect. It's a perfect tone match. Both the blacked out front and tail lamps. Nice. And then moving along, the next mod that we did for the E46 is the wheels. Actually, we didn't do the mod. The car came with the mod. These sick OG BBS wheels. For some reason in Hong Kong, all of the BMWs, or at least the E46s, they all have BBS wheels. I think this is like the go-to wheels for the E46, and they look good. You gotta say, they look really nice. They look amazing. So wheels, and then after that, the straight-piped exhaust. Man, the exhaust was a hell of a mod. The straight-piped exhaust was one of the best mods that had to be done to this car. Yes, the tone, I'm not a big fan of. It's nice. It could be better though. We can put a different filter, different muffler on it so that we get a different tone. The SLK sounded really good. I really like the sound of the SLK. The E46 is loud as fuck, but that specific frequency where it makes you like happy, you don't get it yet. And then we move into the car. Inside, we got this done. We removed the double stereo and the single stereo, and got the double touchscreen, Bluetooth, steering control. It worked out really well. This was really nice. And I gotta say, guys, do not buy the quad lock. It is shit. I put my phone on the quad lock on the Ducati. I was going probably 120 something. My phone flew off. And I had to replace my phone. I had to go buy a new phone. So I do not suggest quad lock. Get something like this, something really basic. This is Momax. It does the job. It's not too bad. So carrying on. The steering wheel. This is a really good mod. I really like it. This looks amazing. The way, the texture and the color tone that it gets, it's really nice. Yes, we can change the color of this as well, but then I wanted to stay as much stock as possible, so when we do go to replace this, we won't have a change in that. Let's say I want to get a different color fall leather for this, I wouldn't have to change that as well. So this works out as a plus for the both.
I stay loose, I stay hype, I stay loose, I stay hype, I stay loose, I stay hype. I could do this all night.
So the E46 is finally done. This baby, this beauty is all good to go. And it's such a beautiful design. The long front, the small back, it's a coupe. And right now it's too sunny, it's overexposed. So we're gonna move around, take a different angle. This is just a beauty. I never walked away from the SLK when looking back at it, but for the E46, every time I park, I have a smile on my face. I turn around, I look at it, and I'm walking away. So now that the mods are done on the E46, we're going to be jumping on to the Ducati. We have to change the body panels. There's a few things that I need to change on that. I'm going to try to do it as much as possible by myself, and obviously I'll be making a video of each single change that I make of the bike so that you guys can learn from it as well, and you can do that to your bikes. Pretty much most Ducatis work the same way because they come from the same manufacturer. The way they're built is pretty similar, so it's easy to work on them. So guys, stay tuned, and if you like today's video, smash the like button. Don't forget, smash the like button, and if you like such videos, smash the subscribe button, and let me know if you have any video ideas and if you have any specific kind of a video that you guys are looking for, and I'll try to make that happen. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until the next time, peace.